Yo, welcome to another video. I am your Tactical Power Pro. If it's your first time checking my channel, welcome. I am an Air Force veteran, a former electrical power production technician, which is a fancy way of calling a general mechanic in the Air Force. So I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to share with you my experience, skills, and knowledge in the electrical power system field as an electrical engineer and a generator mechanic. And hopefully my videos can help you learn more about your generator, understand what's wrong with it, and how to fix it. So please go ahead and overcrank that like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So let's waste no more time and let's go straight to today's video.
Here we have a Firman W03083ir. This generator is not starting. Looks pretty beat up. But I sprayed some carburetor cleaner through the air box and the generator tried to start. So that tells me it has spark and most likely a dirty carburetor. So I'll pull that carburetor out. I'm gonna clean it up and start and see that if that fixed the issue. So taking it apart. Now we took out the side cover. We'll remove the air box, take that carburetor out, and see how it looks inside. Air box out. Now let's pull the carburetor out. Before we do that, make sure that the fuel valve on the other side is closed. And then we want drain of the fuel in the bowl. Once it's completely drained, pull it out. Now that we have the carburetor out, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it connected. I'm not gonna mess with the choke or the throttle mechanism. The wire just go all the way down there, and then I'll have to remove more stuff over there. I'm just, for the sake of time, I was just clean it right here. So I'll remove the bowl, clean the bowl, just spray it in this area. Don't look that bad. Let's take a look at the main jet. You can see it a little bit clogged. While we're here, let's test float. Test that needle. So we got everything in here. Start doing a good cleanup. Do some carburetor cleaner. I also have the carburetor kit cleaner, which is nice. You can get into those hard to get parts. Get the jet. Okay, so I'm gonna spray now the rest of the carburetor. Should just roll in there. Got the float in. Main jet, the main nozzle, and the main jet. It's nice and tight. You put the gasket back. Connect the fuel line. So before I put the side cover, I'm gonna put on the ground and start it and see if the generator starts. Finish this. So let's give it a start. Make sure fuel's on. Battery. Okay.
That's it, yo. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to overcrank that like button and subscribe to my channel. And always remember that knowledge is current times voltage.